Come enjoy this 55-plus resort-style community with all its amenities: golfing, tennis, billiards, pickleball, dancing, just to name a few activities that his wonderful community has to offer. There's 7 clubhouses, 5 pools, over 200 clubs, and much more. Where can you find an opportunity like this? Come enjoy this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in this hotel-style living, 1 meal, water, trash, electric, house cleaning included in the associates amenities, 7 clubhouses, 5 pools, over 200 clubs, golfing, tennis, bocce ball, lawn bowling, pickleball, and much more. Local bus system to keep you independent longer, of Laguna Woods Village 55-plus community. This is a great opportunity to live and enjoy this wonderful community at a great price. This light and bright unit has a great view from every room. Updated kitchen area. The lobby has been recently remodeled and in some areas being completed now. Don't miss out on this opportunity. You also get to enjoy all of the amenities that the village has to offer.